Hi guys, this is your guy here, Nili Mchoraji. So today I upgraded. I just got a Mi Smart Band 5 from Xiaomi. Xiaomi is a phone manufacturer and also accessories manufacturing company. So I bought this because I used to have the Mi Band 4. Here is my Mi Band 4. This one I used to have this, but this one got spoiled. You get, I think this one got spoiled. So you see the strap was spoiled. So today I decided to get myself a Mi Band 5. It's a fitness tracker, and it's very compatible with the when you have Xiaomi phones. It's very compatible with it, although you can use it with any other Android phone. So I just want you guys to see this. So it's a Mi. You can see it's a Mi Smart Band 5. On this side, it is showing it has a colorful screen. What else? It has a colorful screen, and then it is water resistant to 50 meters in swimming strokes recognition. It heart rate monitor, and multi-sport modes, magnetic charging. It has all day sleep tracking and 14-day battery life. So let's unbox this. Behind here is just the model and the blah blah blah. The accessory is manufactured by Xiaomi. Xiaomi is, I think, the third. They're the phone manufacturing companies. There is I think Samsung is number 1, Huawei number 2, Xiaomi number 3, and then Apple. I'm not sure. You can search that information up. So, alright, let's unbox this baby. Let us unbox this baby. So, I just cut it here. Boom. There we go. Yes. Now. There we go. The thing goes for around 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Wow. The first box. So what do we have here? Check this out, guys. We have the band itself. Wow, it's amazing. It is amazing, guys. Check this out. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, it is super amazing, guys. So it is. I'll put it aside. You can see this is the Mi Band 5, this is the Mi Band 4. So you can see then nearly identical, but I think the Mi Band 5 is a bit more stylish. This is the heart rate monitor. It monitors your heart rate throughout the day. What do we have here? What do we have over here? These are just the manuals. You know, the manuals. Nobody ever reads this, so throw them there. What do we have here? Oh, the charger. We have the charger. Finally, this is awesome, guys. The charger, man. You see that label there? You see that label there? That is me. Xiaomi, direct from Xiaomi. It's quite a cool gadget. So there we go. So So I pull the box aside. So you only have the charger and the Mi Band. So how do we charge this? So we're gonna charge this thing up. I will use this Xiaomi power bank. I have this Xiaomi power bank. It's a 10,000 milliamp power bank. So I'm gonna connect this to the power bank, and then I think it's magnetic, so it just sticks here. You just put it here, like boom, just like that. Yeah, so it will start up. There we go. It is charging, showing me the time. At the same time it's charging. So I will set it up, guys, and then it's magnetic. Well, it just comes closer and attaches itself, and then it starts charging. Look at that. That's beautiful, man. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tracker. So we'll give it time to charge, and then we will check it out in a few minutes as I finish this unboxing. Thank you, guys. Yo guys, so I set up already the Mi Band 5, and here it is. So as you can see, the features, their status. Status just shows the distance you have walked, the calories you have burned, if you are idle, any alerts, and it shows you for today, yesterday. I hope you can see this. Today, yesterday, and a few days back. Then there's PAI, there's heart rate. This one shows your heart rate. Your heart rate is a monitor for your heart rate. So if I click on it, it starts measuring. Yeah, so it says that my heart beats at 78 beats per minute. Then what else do we have here? Breathing. This one helps you like when like to reduce stress, so it will tell you what to do. You see, keep quiet and relax your body. Inhale and exhale as instructed by the animation. So it will just tell you what to do, when to exhale. That one is exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. So it just helps you in reducing stress if you're stressed up. These are the events. Weather, it can show you the weather. I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. So there we go. You see, tomorrow it shows you today and tomorrow, and Friday and Saturday. Wow, several days to come. That's amazing. But this is for workout. If you want to work out, there's outdoor running. If you're going for a jog, there's treadmill, there's cycling, indoor cycling, walking, rowing machine, yoga, jump rope, pool swimming, freestyle. I think freestyle is a specific kind of workout that is not included among the listed ones. Yeah. So then there's more. Here there's alarm, there's camera. The camera is if you want to connect with your phone, so that you use this as a remote, so you can set your phone somewhere, and then now you click on this and you use it as a remote. It's a shutter button. So what do we have? Yeah, then there's watch faces. I will show you. There are so many watch faces for this one. Yeah, so if you swipe this side,
you go to notification. These are if you get a message, if somebody calls you, if you have a missed call and whatever, it will show you from here. So that's what's up. Yeah, so it's an amazing little gadget. Amazing. So amazing, guys. Yeah, guys, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. This is the one that measures your heart rate. This is the heart rate monitor here. Can you see it blinking? Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe as usual, and see you soon.
Nimeshakaa metulizana, so mapepe